Hey, on this video with Eating Like Us, banana bread with chocolate chips and walnuts. Yum. We're going to have 1 1/2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 cups of chocolate chips, 2 large eggs, 3 ripe bananas, 1 cup of walnuts, a stick of butter, or 8 tablespoons of oil, half a teaspoon of vanilla, and half a cup of sugar or honey. We'll get the wet ingredient first. 3 bananas, medium size preferably, mash them up. I just used a fork. We're going to beat 2 eggs and add that into this. And 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. We're going to mix all the liquid. And we're going to have to melt down the butter, but we want to make sure we do give time to cool afterwards. And when we do pour that butter in, we can mix everything together. And if you have honey for sugar, this is a good time to add your honey in to the liquid ingredients. Now we're going to have 1 1/2 cup of flours for our dry ingredients, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt. Then we're going to have that 1/2 cup of sugar and mix up all the dry ingredient. And we're going to add this dry ingredient into the liquid batch. And I go ahead and dump everything in. And we're going to mix everything up. Try not to overmix. It will give a better texture for your bread. We'll add the 3/4 of walnuts, and then we'll do the 1/2 cup of chocolate chips and lightly mix them in. Then we'll go ahead and oil our pan or butter it. I use the 9-inch pie pan. We'll go ahead and put all the batter inside that pan and use our spatula to even it out. And I like to add the rest of the walnuts and chocolate chips on top. And we're going to set our oven to 350. Initial time's 45 minutes, but if you have the conventional oven, I usually check it about 30 minutes to 35 minutes. Little tip, you can stick your knife in the center, check it, make sure it's still a little moist before you pull it out, because it'll continue to cook. And here's the banana bread. Yum.